All right, we're back. I'm thinking that I've got some sort of background application that starts to run about that time every day. I'm gonna have to fix that, but we'll see. No other trades other than this one, which had I stayed in would have been really good, but technical difficulties. In my eval accounts, if it gets up to this level, I will take a short trade.
As far as our daily chart goes, I'd love to see us reject like this 250, 275 area. We're coming right back into that range though. What a fake out right there. Absolute fake out. No, not 5 months, 5 minutes. Yeah, I don't trade. I don't chart on Trade Evade. I don't like their charting either. I chart on Trading View and I trade on Trade Evade with the props. I'm weird. I actually like the Trade Evade 1 minute chart more than I like a Trading View 1 minute chart. I like Trade Evade for scalping. Let's see.
Yeah, I'll be watching this. I'll be watching for a long
We
entry
have 30
here,
more seconds in this candle.
as long as this volume
I
doesn't
might
go
be
higher
open
than
too if
here.
we get another reversal candle here to trying a short on the next pop up with stops above this high. I'd be willing to start the day red for that
You can
setup.
see we
Let's see how the
touched
15
here and
minute chart
touched
was.
here, and so that's why
15.
I'm giving this a little bit more
15
room.
doesn't close for another 10 minutes.
Down here about 143. Yeah, that higher volume's going to scare me away.
If we
When
get that move up, I am
especially
going
if
to
it
try
closed
that.
below this 90 MA.
It'd be like 185, 180 area, stops above like 220.
Not gonna give it. It's gonna rip.
You gonna try it too?
Yeah, I like short.
If we go up there? Yeah, I'll try it. I'm willing to start the day red if that doesn't work out.
Got
I
1
would have
minute
rather
to the
seen a sub
close.
pre-market high, but I mean,
It's
beggars
gonna
can't be
down to VWAP.
beggars can't be choosers, I guess. No, 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 don't.
Okay,
Dip,
right here,
rip, and then
eval. I
dip.
am going to take a long.
Rip and
Order
then dip.
submitted. Order filled.
You, what's going on here?
176,
My
260.
trade, my trade follower is not Set it up. Oh, must I because yeah, must not have saved.
180 area is what I like for shorts. Just have to have stops above that high, above like
Order
220.
filled.
Jesus Christ. Rip down.
I really wanted to see us touch that pre-market high, but it's all right.
Volume is telling me that maybe this is a move lower. So I'll go ahead
Just
and
caught
try it in my
$500 on that
evals.
push on my second account. Done with Apex at 1,500 today. Let's go. Let's go.
Order submitted.
All right. Let's see if they give us some confirmation in here.
Flat in at 180. What's our time? 2 minutes till the 5-minute candle.
Watching the setup, everybody.
Order filled.
I'm setting these shorts out, Jada.
I haven't tried yet either. I'm watching.
Could be the spot.
I don't love that we retested right into this range first, this 50% retracement, and then moved out. That's
Order
kind of annoying,
submitted.
but I'm not fully sold out on it yet. I'll let you guys know if I enter. I'd still like to see. All right, yeah, I'm not taking this.
Yep. Our
So
bounce
thank
was
goodness
the
I
one.
didn't.
What
Order
a candle,
filled.
man. I mean,
Yeah.
what kind of nonsense is
All
that?
right, let's see. This might give us our entry up here. I'd like to see a sweep pre-market high, then fail. Oh, don't you go right below pre-market high. Don't you dare do that. Don't you dare do that. That would have literally, I think, been the quickest stop out I'd ever had in my life. Don't you dare go to pre-market high, then die like that. I want to see us sweep this and fail.
With this volume. Jesus. I like a long entry, like at 180, but it's probably just gonna look at that.
Unreal.
That's dangerous price action.
The only setup I liked, it comes literally, how close are we to pre-market high there?
This is exact.
A point? A point? 1 point? I'm not in anything, no. This is dangerous price action right now.
True. That one should have been a very profitable trade when I went long. At the volume, that volume right
Barely
there
missed pre-market high.
scared me away.
Barely. You have no trades for me yet. Just watching. No trades for me yet. No trades for me yet, guys. No trades for me yet. I wouldn't have blamed you if you tried shorts. Up there, it looked decent, but this price action is just dangerous. Just dangerous.
Right. I think one more
Come
try
on.
in our
Come on.
evals. I do
Come
think
on.
that they're going to push it lower before higher.
Oh boy, come on. Give me a money bag setup.
Order submitted.
Damn, brother, you have patience. I do have patience. I appreciate that. I take a lot of pride in that. Try to help you guys have patience every day too. Choose DOD. The more patience you have, and the more discipline you have to not take every single move. Again,
Order
this is not
submitted.
Pokemon. You don't got to catch them all. The more money you'll keep.
Order submitted. Order
If you're
canceled.
trading with Alpha, I recommend the zero account or the advanced. People seem to like the zeros. They're 1 day pass. The advanced are low key, kind of tough to pass, but once you do pass, they can be really advantageous. They're just like low key, kind of hard to pass. You have like a $5,000 drawdown on the 150Ks with like $12,000 profit target. Like low key, kind of tough. But the zero's 1 day pass. So
Evals have not been it today. One profitable trade. And then this one probably would have been the best one. But
I'm just keeping it a buck with you. No trades for me. No trades for me yet, guys. If we would have swept this pre-market high, I'd look for shorts. Our 15-minute chart's not showing us a lot either.
True.
Very indecisive here. We have higher green volume, but we also had a decent amount of wick. We have an overall doji here. Market can't decide where it wants to go. Your DOD has helped me be profitable so much. That's awesome. Let's go. Send it. I hope so. I
Order
want to see
submitted.
us touch that pre-market high and then send it.
Order
That's it.
submitted.
I'm playing Nickelback. It's time for a banger. How you remind me of the good price action. And this is how you remind me of the 10K days I had when price action wasn't choppy and dull. I would take a trade and I'd let that trigger pull and make some money for Team Boho. Let's go. How you remind me of technicals being respected. If Nickelback brings on a winner, I'll allow it. All right, bet. Good. I'm glad we're on the same page. If you get me, listen to some Nickelback, some Three Doors Down. Oh man, beware. This is how you
Order
remind me
canceled.
of how price action really is. We're also going to be doing Team Bowl, that giveaway at the end of the live stream for anyone who commented or liked the new YouTube video. Jadon has mentioned multiple times his favorite artist is Cardi B. Yeah. And Sexy Red. No, honestly though, Nicki Minaj back in the day used to slap. Let's not lie to ourselves here.
You see this volume on this candle, Jada?
Horrible.
Yeah, it's horrible, man. It's legit retest entry. We could justify trying long.
Yep, we sweep pre-market high and come back down. I'll try some shorts.
Order submitted.
No wrong. We sweep that pre-market high. Have a reversal candle. I'll try shorts. I will try that. If we can get confirmation.
Only touched it. It's not taking it out.
This is from the way I trade, this is a good long setup here. It's just too much risk on this candle for me to enter.
Your volume is horrible. That candle is horrible volume too. Literally horrible volume.
Yeah, it's horrible. But I was just basing off the breakout candle. Because if we entered right here at the close, or even in the 20s, we have to put our stops at 170, like 175.
If we had higher volume, I may join you. I may have joined you, but I'd rather see a sweet pre-market high and try shorts
Well, we
first.
did it there.
At least for how I'm looking at this today. If you see a long entry you like, please be my guest and take it.
VIX dumped.
I wouldn't take that. Oh no. See, pre-market high is there.
Yeah, big Zoe. That's the only thing the market's been giving us lately is big stop losses. So lowering volume, when you see, for example, let me give an example if I could speak. So if we was approaching supply, right, and we're pushing up, what I would want to see is lowering volume. I don't want to see crazy increase in, very aggressive selling when I'm looking for a short.
Order
Or
filled.
very aggressive buying, rather.
All right, let's see what happens here,
Short
guys.
entry.
I'm watching like a hawk.
It's gonna rip up.
And I'm going to just risk a little bit here on
Higher
one
volume
short.
on this too.
Now
Did I
I'm going to
miss
risk
an entry?
basically $50. That's it. But I think this could fall. Make sure my live is,
Big
yeah,
sweep.
it's going good in my live.
260.
Looks like we're doing okay.
Order submitted.
And we watch it. I'll risk the $50 and
That's a tough candle.
see it do is come back down below this 50. And if it can, I think we can get a big move down. If we touch here, we'll move my stop.
All right, watching for this. Watching for potential entry. Would have rather seen a little more wick down, but the only thing I've watched all morning is for that pre-market high test and then reject. Just want to see a little more confirmation.
It touched that 50% bar, and some buyers came in. See if they can flush them out now. If we can drop
Not
below
exactly
here,
the
those people that bought right there
best candle that I wanted to see.
are going to get flushed out and it'll go lower. So we shall see.
I'm just waiting.
Got 3 minutes till the 9 o'clock. So
No, I'm not trying long. Not right now. I was looking for a short entry if we would get a reversal candle at this pre-market high. But we're gonna have to see that reversal candle first. Staying patient.
we got the initial move. Maybe we'll still get it, but we'll see. I got my risk defined. I think the risk to reward is here
For
good.
example,
We could,
if we were to sell this candle off right here, this 5-minute candle, and close aggressively below this pre-market high, I would almost 100% take shorts down here and just put my stops up here. But we haven't closed this candle yet, so
2 more minutes till candle five, the candle close. And it's a confluence candle between my 6-minute chart, Jay Dunn's 5-minute chart. So
oh, I got to repeat myself because people don't hear me or don't listen or are distracted. I don't want you guys to miss a setup.
two minutes till candle close.
Just moving up slowly. Just moving up slowly.
Mm-hmm.
My one main watch for the morning is I wanted to see this 24,000 bounce. That was my main watch. Was this bounce down here? We never got it. Too long. Too late.
40 seconds till candle close.
Why am I trying to short it? Well, that's been the theme lately is supply rejects and demand bounces. However, I'm not completely opposed to a long entry. It would just have to make sense.
Expecting a pretty big move. So if
You're with me and you never know.
trading views locked
Yeah,
up,
nope, can't short this candle either. But I'm not gonna long this either with this lack of volume.
could go either way.
If we get some failure down here, we'll try it. This hourly candle just closed very strong too. If you look at this hourly, no. Aggressive close on this hourly chart, which tells me there's a good chance that if we test this 200, we want to make a higher low. We'll see. You guys know my least favorite types of days. My least favorite types of days are days where we slowly trend up. The only other trade I see today for a long side entry. So maybe we pull back. So the 50% retracement's at like 160.
Point of control.
What?
Right at point of control bounce.
There it is.
Yep.
Is it going to get me? Or is it going to immediately
No
sell
shorts here
off?
for me.
No,
It's
I
probably going
haven't
to get
caught a
me.
trade today yet. I'm hoping to.
I'm just not a fan of trading slow grind up days.
I like the zone up here. If we get up there at 24,400.
Give it just a little bit more room with that impulse.
They
You
have
see that
anything for
impulse tick
reject
up there?
before the
Yep, it's going to get me. There we go. So let's see. Yeah, I risked what?
Order filled.
Oh, good. 50 bucks.
I'm hoping to add the Asia strategy to the Grizzology.
Yeah,
Hopefully
what's
this
that?
week. It's like a you would call it a sweep strategy.
Go
It
to
don't take
here.
it doesn't confirm
I'll
a
try
lot.
one more
You'll
time
be
with a
lucky to
very
get like
tight stop
4 to 6
above this
trades
high.
per month with it, but it pretty solid win rate. So I'll have to show it to you.
These hands and knees, I'm saying, please.
And this is it
give
for the
me
day.
A trade.
Order submitted.
Let's see if it'll unlock here.
For you. All right, let's see if they give us something finally.
Oh. So we're in these standard deviations. So right.
These futures trades ain't got no love for me. That's a good remix right there. Yeah, my short ideas kind of pooped out with this close above pre-market high. If we got some aggressive reversal here on the 15-minute and 5-minute, maybe.
Okay, this could look good. All those people that went long at this breakout above start feeling some pain. And if we break below this candle, we should see a good move down. So
Grisology sounds like a class they should be teaching the kids in school. Shit, they probably should.
6-minute candle
About to
coming.
have a nasty leg day today. Nickelback reminds you of the dental office. Why?
30 seconds.
Wednesday's leg day. What do you hit today, Grizzly Glock?
Okay. 5 seconds. I like that it ticked up on the initial open. I find that when it does that, then it fails, but this could be just a slow grind up day.
dun, dun. I just watched your Apex first Tradeify video and loved it. If you are thorough, honest, and
Ooh.
concise, kudos. I'm proud of being
We
part of the team.
survived
Appreciate you,
that
bro.
little uptick.
You're not in the live.
So let's see what we got.
If you guys have been wondering which prop is better for you, Apex or Tradeify, the new video is a game changer. I also included a Trade of 8 copy trade tutorial in there as well. I've gotten a lot of positive feedback on that video I just posted. You guys should all take a moment to watch it today. There's a lot of good info in there, plus a Trade of 8 copy trading tutorial. So if you've been wondering how to copy trade multiple accounts on Trade of 8, this will teach you.
Keeps wanting to go.
Unless you use a trade copier, you can't know.
There's going to be a pretty good pullback at some point, but I'm not going to chase it anymore. So, yeah. Risking around $80 because it could, if it fails, it's going to be when it fails, it's going to be a pretty good move because of all this energy we built up to the upside. So it was worth the risk to me. I'll call it a day. We'll have our first loss in our $500 challenge account because I don't think I'll be doing any more trading today. $10-minute candle coming up. Seconds.
Slowly grinding up with no sort of A, solid pullback, or B, reversal in sight.
Candle on the 10-minute chart or the 5-minute chart. Is this going to be the pullback?
And we still have a lot of buying here.
You see our volume is decreasing. So the up move is getting weaker. Here, we have an RSI divergence from way back here. So let's see. It's shown us this type of promise before, and then it's faked us out.
These are volume footprint charts. I'll use it to, I think you'll hear Grizzly talk about sometimes too, looking at candles delta.
Need to break below this low. There's too much buying. Look at that.
It basically shows who's aggressive, buyers or sellers. And as you can see, buyers have been significantly more aggressive. Even on our negative delta candles, it's been much less than our buying.
Learning how to take
Like
a
this would have been a
loss
good
and
sign, for
keeping your
example.
losses low
I need to
is,
start looking at this more.
I
But like
think,
you
the
have this
hardest
big
thing a
move
trader has
down
to learn.
with higher
I still
volume, but
struggle
look at
with
the
it
delta, guys.
because you
It's
think,
negative
oh, it's
55.
going to stop me out and then it's going to rip down or
It's
rip up.
basically flat.
And it happens. It
Which is a good
happens.
sign
But you
that if
have
you
to
see
define your
that,
risk
but delta's flat, you're going to continue up.
and, define your
It's not
risk
something I use a lot, but it's something
and
I've
then trade your
incorporated a little
system.
more for
So
order flow.
that's what we do. So there's our new 6-minute candle. That looks promising. If it goes green, probably end up getting stopped out because when it initially goes down, so I would have liked to see it pop up and then go down. But again, I'm gonna risk it for the reward. I mean, this is like a 4 times reward to get all the way down here. So I predict stop out. I'll say that because then the opposite will happen.
Am I on a trade? Nope.
The market's been strong today.
Volume footprints are on trading. You just have to have like the premium or whatever.
9:13. I probably have another 15 minutes in me, and we'll see.
Stretch.
A bad day for evaluation accounts. Didn't blew them.
Any of you guys
But
take
that's what I
advantage
do.
of that
My
Alpha Future
evaluation
sale?
accounts, I want
Jade on
to
50?
pass them quickly. So,
They never
but
do
with
that.
the
I've
new
never seen
Tradeify
them do this
system,
many
I'm
discounts
gonna
only for one
Tradeify
account,
and
which
take
isn't
profit
surprising.
because they have daily payouts are the ones I'm gonna focus on maxing out.
Alpha Futures. You can use code JDUN50 for 50% off one account. So if you've been looking for another firm to try for very cheap, I mean, you can get a
I've never
25K
tried them. Maybe
account
I
with no
should.
activation fee as cheap as like $39 with Alpha with code JDUN50. They're celebrating 50 million in payouts. That's why it's so cheap. That's why they have this discount. It's one-time use per person. No, they don't. Tradeify's journal is elite that they have.
Minute candles coming up. Let's see what
That's
is it.
one thing that really
5-minute
puts
chart.
Tradeify
Whoops.
ahead of a lot of the competition.
Decent for the downside. So
But
there's a
again,
15.
what I tell you guys about all prop firms, I appreciate you guys supporting me. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. But I want you guys focused on long-term building up a live account. So you can use prop firms for leverage. You can use them as a tool. Ultimately, I want you guys focused on eventually being on a live account.
It broke it. Now let's see what happens. See if the sellers are going to step in here. And no. Doesn't appear. We could bounce here, but again, with all of this volume and pushing up, at some point you're going to get probably about a 50% retracement. So my target is down in here potentially. I mean, this is going to be strong support. So let's see.
That one dude said, I just wiped
Let's
a little over a month's worth of profits last 2-3 days. Any tips, Jay Dunn? Yes, DOD, man. You got to have a maximum loss limit set. That's the biggest problem that I see traders having. is having a month's worth of progress wiped out by a bad day or two.
Because when you're thinking
to be
about
like
it,
that. That's why you set
that's
your stops,
exactly
you
what
know
you're
your risk.
thinking. You're
And when
thinking
you hit your
instead
maximum
of
loss limit,
staying
you're
in
done.
the
Like
moment
yesterday,
and watching the
I
trade.
lost 2
And
trades. Was I annoyed? Yes. Did I want to overtrade? Yes. Did I want a revenge trade? Yes. That shit doesn't go away even after like 10 years. But you build the discipline to say, you know what? I know it sucks right now. It's not going to suck in an hour. It's not going to suck tomorrow. But what will suck tomorrow is looking back and saying, damn, I overtraded and I gave back a month's worth of progress. Again, you got to have a long-term mindset doing this. People get too caught up in the day-to-day. Oh, you missed a trade today. Oh, you lost a trade today. Who cares? Like literally, who cares if you lose if you're red today? Your ego cares. That's it. Your account doesn't care long term. The people that you're supporting with trading don't care long term if you're red one day. Because over time, if you manage your risk and you stick with DOD, you'll be green over time. But people think it's the end of the world if you miss a trade or you miss a move or you have a red day. And that leads to
it's just
destructive
human nature. And
dopamine
you
over
will,
discipline
I agree,
habits.
you will always fight it. You will always fight it.
You feel me? It's fine. You have a red day, who cares? You have a red week, who cares? You keep your discipline locked in long term, you'll be fine. It's the same thing with these prop firms.
All right. Let's see.
Why are you guys rushing to get payouts? Take it slow, trade micros, just take it easy. The less you need the payout and you need the money, the better you'll trade. I know it sounds it sounds backwards, but it's true. It's very true. On Alpha, it's JDUN 50 for the 50% off. You can only use it one time. It's to celebrate 50 million in payouts.
I could see it come out and take out the high today and then go lower. So,
This is interesting. This strong candle here is negative delta.
so I'm assuming too, it's weak, but it's trying to flush people out. Doesn't want to go without testing this up here. Just give it a little more just in case it touches out. Might end up with a roughly $100 loss. That's okay. Risk reward here is worth it, I believe. Because again, I think if it comes down.
Right now, price looks like it wants to keep moving up until further notice. Until we get some sort of strong break, maybe below pre-market high, we're just slowly grinding up.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm going to call it a morning for now. I may come back in a little later, see if we get any better price action.
You out of here?
Yeah, I may go live again later. I don't know. See if we can catch a later session trade. Been seeing some decent moves later in the day.
Come on, fellas, step in here, push it down,
Time
break
is
it
it?
out.
Yeah, grab some lunch.
Ugh. You're missing the Nickelback party, bro.
Go back. What are you listening to?
She Keeps Me Up by Nickelback. I just got a Nickelback playlist on.
All right. Catch you all
Out of
later.
here, bro.
Yeah, I'll see you all later in the morning. If I go live, I'll let you all know. Drop a link. Zoom. You all see something setting up? Let me know. I'd like to catch a trade.
Yep, I'll text you if I catch something. Wink, wink.
Before, not after.
Before, I'll text you if I see a setup.
Before.
Yay, here
I
we
will
go.
text you the signal.
30
I got you,
seconds.
Mr. Grizzly. I got you, my guy.
Let's see. I'm lowering volume. If it
Still got a
ticks
good
higher
giveaway
than
from
this,
yesterday, too.
that is a good sign, but then it might just pop up because I think there'll be a lot of stop loss orders here. So I wanted to give it a little bit of room.
I always forget to tell him. I know. The only trade looking back that I look at my back testing that I potentially missed was this higher volume here and this reversal here, but we would have had such high risk down to that candle low, like set 70 points of risk, 80 points of risk from 200. It's kind of a lot. Kind of a lot. It's low key kind of a lot. If you want the alpha features discount, you have to use code JDUN10 or JDUN50, JDUN50, JDUN50. I don't know why I said JDUN10. It's only a one-time use on alpha futures. They've never done a discount this big. Like, I know their game plan on these accounts, they won't make any money. Their margins will be very, very, very low on these accounts, but their ultimate goal is celebrating 50 mil and getting more traders in their ecosystem. So you guys should take advantage of that. Even if you trade with alpha futures one time, let's go JDUN50 for 50% off. One-time use.
How gonna be getting off at 9:30?
Like we want to slowly keep moving up. We'll see. Don't worry, guys. The second that I decide to leave for the day, I'm sure you'll get your move.
Oh, wait then.
That's how it usually goes, right? I do trade the orb, just not today. Too much risk on it today.
Influence candle coming up at 9:30.
Too much risk on it today.
See how RSI is bending over? That's a good sign. But I do think it could pop up here, set the new high, and then go lower. If it does and stops me out and then rips lower, I'll accept it and be done. I have my amount of risk. I have bumped it up a little, as you know. No, maybe that's
I
not
probably
good.
will call it a day here in a few minutes. I got to do this giveaway that I promised yesterday.
That's a little too fast. But we'll see. So we'll just a few minutes till the 9:30 candle. See if the sellers have finally decided to come in. This will be an area where it potentially could bounce. So 2 minutes to 9:30. Man, those buyers are strong. See how it just, if you look here closely, how it just ticked out this. So if it breaks it again, we may be golden, but 1 minute. If it can break below this and close with the increasing volume, that would be a great sign. But I kind of feel like it's not quite ready.
All right. All right, everybody. The winner won from the YouTube comments is Brian Porsche. Love the last name. Both prop firms are great. I love Tradeify Select for the daily payout, but Apex is better to learn due to pricing and easier to scale. Listen to what Jay Dunn says. He honestly cares about you succeeding. DOD. Brian, let's go. If you're on here
Let this
listening, I just
trade
replied to your
turn.
comment. Gotta send me a DM on Discord showing that it's your account. You'll be able to see the analytics in the edit channel. Win yourself an account.
We're positive in the challenge account. So this will be a positive trade, but again, I can see this selling off down into
Winner
this
2 is
160 area.
Meme24 U-Zone. Very informational. Thanks for the video, DOD. Give away a winner 2. Let's go. What's up, bro? This was very helpful. Winner 3 is Baton Barisha. Winner 3. Let's go. Winner 4. First of all, DOD, J-Don, J-Money, and Paydon. Banger video. Tradeify and Apex is the way. That's got to be a winner. Winner 4. Best video on how to set up a copy trader. Saluvia Love, winner 5. Let's go. Appreciate y'all
Yeah.
supporting this new video.
What do we end
More
up?
than you know.
$38
Appreciate
loss.
you guys more
Order
than you know.
filled.
Great info, Jade on Tradeify is the best DOD. Alec Manic.
Yeah, I'm going to watch this.
Manriquez,
If it
winner
comes up and
6.
takes out this high again, but has lower volume,
I appreciate this very much. Found a lot of value in this as a beginner to futures. I'm not well funded, so I have one of each evals. DOD, TRK 550551, winner 7. Let's go. Let's go. Winner 8. Where's winner 8? Thank you, Jadon. I hope to see a back shot bear with you tomorrow in Team Bowl. You know what? That's Rex. That's winner 8 right there. It's back shot time. Yup. No questions asked. Just yes. This is such great info. Appreciate you always, DOD.
Right,
Jack
again.
Rapiers, winner 9. Easy money.
because of the weakness it's showing.
And winner 10. DOD, love it. Simple explanation. Winner 10. Just like that from Julie Morissette. Boom. So if
Now
you
it
guys
came
are
to
new, follow them on
50%
YouTube.
here and then retrace.
Order
So
I just
submitted.
did the comments. Replied to you in the comments. You just got to send me proof it's you on Discord. And you can do that by sending a picture of your YouTube account, and it will show you're able to see your analytics and your edit channel. So you can't do that unless it's your channel. Dun, 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 dun. Free falling. I love this song. If we get a strong candle, candle here, this actually looks decent for a long entry with stops below like, I don't know, like 230 or something.
that doesn't make me feel good.
Actually doesn't look bad.
Here comes the 5-minute candle.
It actually looks decent for longs. Let's see if we get a small pullback. Come on, without taking out high a day first. Don't take out high a day. Don't take out high a day first. No. No. No.
Bryce said if it comes up here and takes it out,
Order filled.
I will try it one more
Let's
time.
see us pull back a little into this and then just nuke the longs.
It did have higher volume there. But that is true. It takes out high of day.
It's messed up.
Invalid.
Mhm.
If he goes long, I'll go with Jay Dunn. I trust his instinct. And we do have higher volume here. I will predict that if it pulls
Unreal. I thought we
back
were getting
to
a pullback.
260,
Just could have front ran this entry. Would have 60 down to 30 would have been just below 1-to-1. You basically have, if we would have front ran this entry right here, So we would just enter it on longs based on this candle. We'd have to get up to new high day. You'd have to get new high day to even think about trimming. Otherwise, it wouldn't make any sense. Like it would look like this. Where's that low? This would have to been your 1-to-1. We're not in, obviously, but
I'm watching here.
damn, I wanted that pullback. Whenever we retest pre-market high like that and then get a reversal candle, I would have loved to have seen us pull back a little into it, take the longs here, and then rip. We just literally went front run straight from this close up. Swept high a day, and now the setup's invalid. Great. Great. Thanks, market makers.
Not going to give this much. There's this 300 level up here.
Order submitted.
So now I'm not going to take this pullback because we just swept high a day. Wow. Yup. It's only valid for 48 hours, guys. If you haven't used that one-time use code JDUN50 on Alpha Futures, I highly recommend you do. You won't ever see it this cheap again. 50% off for one account. I was really wanting that slight pullback. That would have been money bags entry. Money bags entry if we would have gotten that. It depends on the account type. Jesus saves me over and over.
40-minute candle coming. 940. Will we catch it?
It's just tougher to take longs because we swept those
There it
highs. I
is.
mean, it's still technically valid. And even like this 2-bar is technically valid. I'm not taking it because to the upside, we've been trending up slowly all day.
There's going to be a
270, maybe if
pullback
you
at
wanted
some
a high
point.
risk entry, wait for a pullback with stops below like 230. But I think that personally, I'm just going to let it be a no trade day.
Yeah, I'll tighten up my stop loss now because if it goes back up there, then it'll pop higher. So, but this looks good. We've got an RSI divergence here. See, we've got a high there. And then this new high has a lower RSI. So we have an RSI divergence that's good. It's got to go. Could go either way here.
If you do
42
want to try
candle
longs
coming
up
up.
here, this is the area. You just got to have stops below.
Yeah.
It's like
What?
230,
Yeah, it could go
which
either
is a
way.
little high risk for myself. So I'm just gonna let it be for now. I know trade day. I'm gonna go
Three,
hang out with my
two,
kiddo,
one. What I'd like to see is a
and
little pop up.
I'm not sure
We're
if I'll
gonna
be back on for
die.
Power Hour. I
Okay,
think
I like
Jared
that.
Tendler is actually joining us for Power Hour today. Yep, Jared Tendler will be on, the author of The Mental Game of Trading. If you haven't heard of him, he's one of the premier trading performance and psychology coaches in the trading industry. He works with a lot of hedge funds and professional poker players. He'll be on during Power Hour with Team Bull.
You think if it goes, it's going to be a dramatic move, maybe all the way down to 24,200. You don't like. We're so close to the 5. I'm just going to get a little. We were close to that 5-minute candle, so I wanted to just give it a little bit of room.
There's that move up we spoke about right there. If you guys tried that setup, it would just be getting up to one. You need like 310 to get to 1-to-1 because it would have been like 40 points of risk.
It was an out. That'll be crazy. It was a bit risky, guys. I extended my risk tolerance out a little bit, but We'll see if it's going to pay off. Look how close. Yeah, and we've got this RSI divergence, so at some point we're going to have a decent move because all of these people
All
going
right,
long,
y'all.
like Jay
God
Dunn was
bless. I'm out
talking
of here.
about,
Trade
gotten
smart,
in.
trade safe, stay focused, and choose DOD. I'll see you guys later, or I'll see you guys tomorrow, actually. I don't think I'll be on for Asia. So God bless y'all. Trade smart, trade safe. Have a great rest of your day. No trades for me today. A few decent ideas, but no executions. So get back at it tomorrow. God bless y'all. Peace.
Six-minute candle. If it will stop out, it stops out. We'll let this play trade out, or this trade play out, and call it a day. Thanks, guys.